We check everything is good here, no error, no warning, anything here. So R2 is also done. Now we need to look the R3 and R4. So what I will do, I will divide this notepad, and when we can do this or this. So let me copy the same thing what we done here. I will paste this here and we will verify. And we will correct, we will update this. This is R3, this is R3. You have this interface F0 by 0, what is IP 192.168.13.2. So this one is good. And you don't have interface F0 by 1, you have interface loopback 0. And you have here IP is 3.3.3, so I will write here. And you have /8 means 1 time 255. No confusion, right? Here /8 means only 1 time 255.
Yeah.
Okay. Router OSPF 1, then you go under this interface. You write IP OSPF 1, but you need to remember this area is 1. So here you will put 1. And here you have another interface that is loopback 0. So you will write here loopback 0. And this one IP OSPF 1 area, this also area 1. So you will put here area 1. All the thing is area 1. Then we will copy this and we will go to the R3 and we will write here no, and I will paste here and check any error, anything, nothing, everything is good. I can write WR to save the configuration. And now we need to do for R4. So this one same thing I can copy. I can divide the notepad here and I can paste here and we can see here. This should be R4. This should be R4. And if you see F0 by 0, you have 24.2. So I will change this as a 24.2. And you have loopback 0 here. And the IP is different, so I will put here different IP 4.4.4.4. Okay. After that, router OSPF 1, this one is okay, and interface, this interface we are enabling the OSPF, so we will write IP OSPF 1 area is 2 here, so we will put here 2. Then you need to look the loopback is this one, loopback 0, and this is also in the area 2, so you will change this as well 2. That's all. You will copy and you will paste this also in this router R4. And you can write here no and paste the configuration and check any error, anything here, nothing, everything is good. Press Ctrl Z, save the configuration here, and now you can check. You can here you have the 3. Imagine this is your computer 3.3.3, here your computer 4.4.4. You need to check from here to here it can reachable or not, because now we configured the OSPF, so we should have the reachability. So I can go here, and also if you see you have the neighborship here, you can see the neighborship you have and it go up. You can write show IP route and press enter. Show IP route we use for checking the routing table. Show IP route. Press enter. You can see here, if you see this one, whatever you are getting, this is C means connected, L means local. Important one is this one, OIA. O means OSPF. You are getting from the OSPF O. But here you observe you have IA also. IA means inter area. Inter area means different area. Inter area means different area. So you are getting this route from different area. This 4.4.4 is coming to you. You are R3. R3 is in area 1, but you are getting this 4.4.4 from area 2. That's why it is coming as a IA. So you need to remember OIA. If you are receiving in the OSPF when you write show IP route, and if you are getting the route like OIA, then you need to understand you are in the different area and the route which you are getting that is in different area. Here if you see you are in the area 1 and this 4.4.2 is coming from the area 2. That's why you have OIA. Else before whatever lab we done in the OSPF, you are getting only O, not OIA. Now you receive here OIA. Why you receive OIA? Because you are getting this route from different area. Same thing here, OIA, that is 12 dot something. So if you see this 12 dot network is area 0, you are checking here, you are in area 1. So these both are in different area. You are receiving this 12 dot network from different area. That's why you have here also OIA. And if you see this 24 dot network, this network between these two router, this one you are receiving from area 2 and you are in the area 1. That's why you are getting here also OIA. So no worries, even if you get OIA or anything, it will work. Now you can ping, you can write ping. You are in the router 3, you want to ping the router 4, okay, loop back. So it is working, you have the reachability because you have the routes. If you want to check show IP route, you will get complete routing table. If you want to filter, if you want to check only the OSPF, you will write show IP route, then OSPF and press enter. You will get only OSPF route. You have the reachability. If you want to trace, you can tracer T, trace route, put here 4.4.4.4. It will show you how the packet is going, from where this packet is flowing. If you see, packet is going from here to 13.1. This is the 13.1, like this. After that it is going to 12.2. This is 12.2. So it will come like this. After that it is going to 24.2. This is 24.2, like this. So if you want to check which path packet is taking, you can use trace route and put that IP. So it will show you from which router he is going, like this, then like this, like this. And you can ping, it is working. If you want to do the from here, you can do from here also. You can ping to 3.3.3 also here. See, it is working. You are pinging from opposite side also, from this side to this side. So you have the reachability. If you go here, one more thing you need to remember. If you remember, before we told a router which is connecting the two different area. This is a area 1, area 0. Then we can say area border router. Before we told a router which is connecting to different area, we call area border router. So this router is connecting area 1 to area 0. So this will be area border router. And this router also connecting the area 0 to area 1. This will be the area border router. So if you want to check, we can check. How we can check? We can go here inside and we can write here show protocol. We have different command. If I write show IP protocol, let's see, you will get that or not. Here show IP protocol, it is not showing. So you can write show IP OSPF. When you write show IP OSPF, you can see this one. It is an area border router. It is an area border router. This one. A router which is connecting two different area. That router we are calling ABR, area border router. Now we verify a router which is connecting to area, we can call as a area border router, and we verify now. If you do the same command here, if you put this here, you will not get that here because this router is not connecting to different area. If you see here, nothing is showing here, something like this is area border router, nothing is written here. But if you see here, here it is written, it is an area border router. But here if you see, nothing is written here. Why? Because this router is not connecting to different area, both are same area only, area 1. Same thing if you go here also, and if you check here, you can check show IP OSPF and press enter. You can see it is an area border router because this router is connecting to different area. And if you want to check the routing table, you will write show IP route. With this one you will get the routing table. Here also OIA because these two routes are coming from different area. And here if you go and if you write show IP route, same thing, you will have OIA because O means OSPF, IA means inter area. Inter area means different area. You are receiving this route from different area, that's why it is appearing as a OIA. And here if you write show IP OSPF, you will not get here anything written as a ABR. But here if you do, you will have that ABR here. Show IP OSPF. It is ABR, area border router. So you can see here this one will show ABR, this one will not show ABR because this one is not connecting the different area. This one is connecting the different area. So this is simple. I think this is easy. You understand? So with this lab we learn how we can configure the area by using how we can configure the OSPF. We learn here how we can configure the OSPF by using multi-area. So in our next class we are going to learn if you have any other routing protocol. Imagine you will have here maybe RIP. So how RIP route will go in the OSPF, how OSPF route will go in the RIP, we will do this in our next class. So let me